If you want to know what happens to a door, we're going to find out. Dun 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 dun. Please enjoy this 5-minute long video of you staring at a door.
Are you wondering what happens at the door? Hey, you want to put your earbuds? Come on. I'll go back there later. We'll see how the audience looks. Like how. I said it would get inside.
Okay, guys. You're watching what happens at a door with nobody near it. We're all going to be across the hall. Why are my eyes always looking that way? It's like I don't want to see you guys. There, hello. We will be over there. Guess what? I gotta join the party. Nobody likes watching a door.
I'm just going to the bathroom.
There's Olivia going to the bathroom.
Oh.
And Bella going somewhere else. Maybe she will use the door and show how cool it could be. Look, she has opened the door. That's how cool doors can be. Now come out of there. I don't think we're gonna see her again. Never mind that. Okay, let's take you back to the party. I want to be in that dark and smelly area. You should do it too.
Turn the light on.
She's coming. See, guys, let's turn this off and see Ryan's reaction.